Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Today, we're diving into window installation and adjustment
within your 3D modeling environment. As you see, we have a window waiting to be integrated with its frame. In this world, we navigate using two key modes:
object mode for overall selection and movement, and edit mode for fine-tuning individual elements.
Remember, scaling happens in object mode to maintain
the object's center of mass, that sweet spot that keeps things balanced.
But fear not, if you accidentally scale in edit mode. Just right-click and set the origin back to the center of mass.
Here's a pro tip. If you have a high-end PC or laptop, consider viewing the window in render mode for a more realistic
preview of how it will look in the final scene. For an extra dose of realism, fire up Eve Render with an HDRI setup. Trust me, it will automatically add some magic. Now, with your trusty AI tool by your side,
feel free to experiment and enhance the design even further. Second, for truly insightful window placement, embrace flexibility.
Look at the window from each angle above, below, and from both sides.
Visualize how it will interact with the surrounding elements in your scene.
Don't forget to add those vital details when using magnet adjustments while crafting your windows.
These small touches make a big difference.
Now, let's get creative.
When designing for clients,
ditch the flat windows and explore different styles: bay windows,
arches, even skylights. So grab some popcorn, settle in,
and get ready to learn, because this is just the beginning. Inshallah, before you know it, we'll have many more tutorials coming your way.
And of course, feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.
I'm always waiting to hear from you. Let's get started on installing that window.
Bonus, we'll even show you a camera roll walkthrough at the end of the video, so you can see the final product in all its glory.